Hello friends. So this is going to my the first playlist of my YouTube channel. So in this playlist we will make an project which will be based on the AWS Amplify. So guys, hope you are interested in working on a new technology. So we are going to make a to-do app. Okay, because Todo App will clearly define you all the functioning of the AWS Amplify. Okay, so you don't need anything. Only the thing that you need is a single AWS account. You don't need to worry about it because it will be completely free. Because in the AWS free tier there's a huge amount of free resources that you can use in it and not a single amount will be deducted from your account. That's my guarantee. Not a guarantee, but I assure you. Okay. Okay. So without wasting any time, let's come to our topic. So first of all, I would like to know you what is AWS. So as you all know, AWS stands for Amazon Web Services, which is a comprehensive cloud computing platform offered by Amazon.com. It provides a wide range of services and solutions for computing, storage, databases, analytics, networking, security, machine learning, and more, delivered on pay-as-you-go basis. The main thing is that AWS provide you all the services at a single platform, and the charges that it will charge you on the basis of pay-as-you-go. So. So as much as you use the AWS services, you have to pay on the basis of it. AWS enables businesses and organizations to easily and cost effectively scale their IT infrastructure. So it is used to scale automatically scale up and scale down our infrastructures, IT infrastructures on the basis of the requirements of the users. So what is AWS Amplify? So AWS Amplify is a set of tools and services. I would like to know you that AWS Amplify. Uh, uh, okay, so AWS Amplify is a service that is provided by the AWS itself, which makes our building, testing, deploying, and hosting application at a single uh, single command, you can say. So that's all about AWS Amplifies. Uh, so we are going to cover all the four phases of AWS Amplify, like that is building, testing, deploying, and hosting our application through a single to-do app. Okay. Along with it, AWS is designed to integrate. Okay, so what will be our functioning of that AWS project? It will be integrate with some of the Amazon services, that is S3, Cognito, Lambda, which will make it easy to build and deploy our application easily. Okay, so there are some features: authentication, APIs. You can use GraphQL or REST API, which will be learned in the future or in the next tutorials. Analytics storage, you can use DynamoDB or Aurora S3, S3 for storing the images, videos, etc. But DynamoDB only stores some text-based documents, push notifications, and hosting.